and welcome back. Today we are on the Calderdale Tractor Run, just climbing through some, I don't even know where we are to be honest. We're just climbing through a nice little village road, I guess you could say. Tractors just fit on it anyway. The weather's not too bad today. There's plenty of supporters out, which always helps. Quite a few tractors on the run, a few old and a few new, so it should be a good run. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and at the side of that there is a little bell icon. If you hit that, you will get notified every time I post a video, and obviously everyone wants to be notified when I post a video. So yeah,